हेलो माय स्टूडेंट, बहुत दिनों के बाद ये क्लास फिर कंटिन्यू हो रही है और आज का क्लास है केमिस्ट्री का। और इसमें है कि कैसे कोई भी इक्वेशंस को आप बैलेंस करेंगे और स्पेशली ये इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के इक्वेशन का बैलेंसिंग का तरीका होगा। और ये जेई मेन जेई एडवांस दोनों के लिए ही मतलब फ़ायदेमंद है, और जो 11-12 के हैं उनके लिए भी और जो फाउंडेशन कोर्स कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी। तो देखा जाए कि बैलेंसिंग कैसे करते हैं कोई भी केमिकल इक्वेशंस का, तो देख सकते हैं कि डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ बैलेंसिंग ऑफ a chemical reaction, स्पेशली ये इनऑर्गेनिक के लिए है। और इसमें पहला होता है हीट एंड ट्रायल मेथड, दूसरा है पार्शियल मेथड, और तीसरा है POAC मेथड। उसका पूरा नाम है प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एटॉमिक कंजर्वेशन। चौथा में हो गया आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन मेथड, और पांचवा हो गया ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर मेथड। तो आज का डिस्कशन करेंगे हम आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन मेथड से। और ये जो भी एग्जाम दे रहे हैं बच्चे जेई मेन 2022 या जेई एडवांस 2022, उनके लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है, और जो मतलब 11-12 के लिए है उनके लिए भी है। और ये समझा जाए कि कॉन्सेप्ट में आएगा ये 1.11 चैप्टर्स का नाम पता है, सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। और उसी के अंदर का ये कॉन्सेप्ट नंबर 11 नंबर है, और इसको आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन मेथड से ही आज डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो इसका क्या है क्वेश्चंस, तो समझा जाए कि टू कन्वर्ट Cr2O7, जिसको बोलते हैं डाइक्रोमेट, इनटू क्रोमियम Cr3+ in acidic medium with ferrous ion. So this is the reactions in which dichromate that converts into chromium Cr3+ in acidic medium, and with iron, that is called ferrous ions. So how can you solve these questions? So very simple. First of all, we'll write this chromium 2O7 2 minus, and this converts into Cr3 plus. And first of all we will balance those elements which are others as oxygens, hydrogen and charge. So simply remember, in short, CHOR. Here R stands for others. O means nascent oxide, nascent oxygen, and this hydrogen. So this hydrogen for the acidic medium will write H plus, and for nascent oxygen will write water molecule, and this is the charge, and this is others. So this is the technique, CHOR. Just you read in the upward directions. CHOR. In short, chor. 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 So first of all we will balance the others. So here, except oxygen and hydrogen and charge, the other is the chromium. So how the others chromium can be balanced? So very simple. Here number of atoms of the chromium is 2 on the right side. Therefore we have to multiply by 2 on both sides. So in this way others chromium is balanced. Now next step, oxygens. Here if there is need of 1 atom of oxygens, so at that time 1 molecule of hydrogen is required. If suppose it is 3, then it will be your 3. So ratio is 1:1 for the nascent oxygen and here water. Here oxygens is your 7th atom, 7 atoms. Therefore for balancing of the oxygens, definitely there must be 7 oxygen on the right side also. So that steps you can write Cr2O7 2 minus 2Cr3 plus and 7 atom of oxygen. So there is the ratio 1:1. So 1 atom of the nascent, so 1 molecule of the water. So here 7 atoms, so instead of 7 atoms we have to write 7 molecule of the water. So in this way oxygen is balanced. 7 oxygen, here also 7 oxygen. But what about the hydrogen? So for the acidic medium H plus and for basic medium OH minus. So first of all try to understand acidic medium, and this is the problem for the acidic medium. Later on I will explain about your alkali medium or basic medium, that is OH. So next step we have to balance the hydrogen. So again here 1:1. So here how many hydrogen atoms are there? 7 into 2, 14 atoms are there. Therefore we have to multiply by 17 on left side. So next step, Cr2O7 2 minus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O and multiplied by 14H on the left side. So in this way hydrogen is balanced. Now the last step, to balance the charge. So here the charge is overall -2, here +1 into 14 plus 14 plus 14 minus 2 plus 12, and on the left side there is +3 into 2 plus 6. Therefore we have to add 6 electrons on the left side, so that charge must be balanced. So next step, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 6 electron converts to Cr 3 plus 7 H2O. So in this way, others is balanced, oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, charge is balanced. You can check yourself. Here others, chromium is 2, here chromium is 2. Oxygen 7, on the right side also 7 oxygen. Hydrogen for the acidic medium, on the left side 14, on the right side also 14. Charge, here minus 2 plus 14 plus 12 and minus 6 plus 6, on the right side plus 6. So finally this is the equation where Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electrons converts into 2Cr3 plus and 7H2. And second part for the your iron. So that is just you write the equation 1. Take the screenshot of this one. Now the next step, here there is the ferrous. So ferrous means Fe2 plus, and here Cr2O7 is an oxidizing agent, and it has the powers as the chromium oxidation number if you find. So there is the rule for finding the oxidation number, that overall for the elemental molecule total oxidation number is 0, and for elemental atoms monatomic oxidation number 0, and for molecules acid, base, salt overall 0. But here this is a minus charge, so that minus charge shows that let the Cr as X oxidation number, so 2 into X, and plus oxygens 7 times of the minus 2, and overall is equal to your minus 2. So solving it will give the 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2, 2x is equal to 12, x equal to 6. But this chromium converts into plus 3 in the acidic medium. So there is the reduction in the oxidation number. So reduction in the oxidation number shows that it is the process which is known as reduction process. And reduction process means this very your ions is your oxidizing agent. So this is the reactions for the oxidizing agent or reduction, and this is for the oxidation. And you know that oxidation of iron always converts into ferric. And here now you can say that in any reactions half part is oxidation, then other part is reduction. So here this is the oxidation process, this is reduction process, as this is your oxidizing agent. Again we use the same techniques, that is your others must be balanced. So here others is your iron, so iron is balanced, so no need for the balancing of the others. Oxygens, here no oxygen on the left side, so no need to balance. So finally it is okay. Now come to the hydrogen, this is also not available, so this is also okay. So finally we will balance the charge. So how the charge will be balanced? Simply by adding on the right side 1 electron. So this converts as the plus 2 charge, and here minus 1, and here coefficient is 1, so minus 1 and 3 plus 3 is plus 2. So charge is balanced. Now here for the oxidation process, on the left side there is the number of electron 6, and for the reduction on the right side there is the electron. So by visualizing the electrons, whether it is present on the reaction left side or right side, here on the left side of the reactants it is available, therefore this process is called oxidation. You can write here oxidation. Or you can say that this is oxidizing agent. So actually it is your reduction. Process is reduction, but the substance is oxidizing agent. And here this is oxidation. Oxidation, you can write here oxidation. Here oxidation is going on and here reduction is going on. Half shell reactions. But here there is the 6 electrons. So by hook or by crook we have to brought here 6 electron. How it can be converted as the 6 electron? Simply multiplying by 6 on both sides. So this will be 6, this will be 6, and this is the 6. So this is the second equation for the oxidation, and this is the first reaction for the reduction. So adding equation 1, 2, adding 1 and 2. What will happen? First of all, you write this steps, that is Cr2 O7 2 minus plus 14H, and no need to write electron because these 6 electrons will cancels, and on the second reaction, in the second reaction there is the 6 Fe2 plus, and finally on the left side Cr2O7 14H, that's all, and on the left side of the second equation only 6 Fe2 plus. Now you write right side 2Cr 3 plus 7H2O, then plus 6 Fe3 plus. Now you can again check whether this equation is wrong or right. So you can check or no need to check because already we have checked here finally about the how much the charge, how much hydrogen, how much oxygen and others. So finally no need, but you can check if you are having some ambiguity or doubt or illusion, confusion. So at that time you can check, but it is no need to do the same thing. Now here this is all about the reactions finally which is obtained, and after understanding these various steps, now you can see the books of chemistry for the inorganic, either related with the chapters your hydrogen and compound H2O2, all the reactions for the acidic medium, basic medium and oxidizing agent and reducing agent, you can write the reactions of the H2O2. Later on I will come to the revision for the practice, but this equation is sufficient to solve any questions related with your ion electron method. So this is exclusively sufficient in my opinion. If you understand the concept, then any problem you can do, but it is your needed for the practice. So do the practice, taking the questions from the different resources related with your ion electron methods, and try to solve these questions. You will get these answers. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and in the next again we will come to the new things, and these types of reaction wherever you see the JEE Main or JEE Advanced, so go through, and similarly you can find the others known as the your equivalent weight. So for the equivalent weight, the same answers you can convert as the adding K2 on both sides. So here this is Cr2O7, so by adding plus 2K, so this converts as your K2 Cr2O7 of one molecule. On the left side 2K plus you have to add, and on the right side also you have to add 2K. So finally these answers converts into K2 Cr2O7, and after having the molecular weight of the K2 Cr2O7 and just dividing by the number of electrons 6, you will get your equivalent weight of K2 Cr2O7. So these types of question also comes. Okay, and in the redox reaction also this is frequently used. So finally, this is all about the ion electron methods techniques, and by doing the practice more and more question, yeah, you will be familiar with solving the any problem of the IIT, JEE Advanced or JEE Main. Okay, thank you for watching the video and see you again. Bye.